Like, okay. Yeah, let it come down. Hold it.
Disgusting.
Why?
It stinks like shit.
Because it's been stuck.
Flashlight, you want a light?
No, I want it light. So where's the fucking water?
There's a pipe. Can you see that one there?
Yeah.
I can see a bit of that. Yeah, I'm turning on the main.
Little, not too much, yeah?
I think it's starting from there and then travelling down here. But what I'll do, a bit more pressure just to see where it's gushing out from. There, it's coming from the top there.
Oh yeah, okay, quick. Okay.
So as you can see, it's coming from, looks like it's coming from the top there. Yeah, but at least we identified it to some extent at least.
Yeah, the best.
That's how strong this shit is, because it might be weak. I've got a dead body in here.
You can see the joint. You want me to put the water on?
Yeah, you can do, why not? No, you can turn it. Okay, stop. Yeah, stop. Fucking hell. Shit.
Oh, what is it?
I feel like it's raining for me here. Monsoon. Alright. No, it's alright, I can jump down. I just need to. Great, so we open up the ceiling, we find out what pipe it is, and we realised the whole joint came out completely. So we've taken the elbow off, the copper elbow. We're going to put a push fit. So, I'll show you after. It's my assistant, Mr. Fernandez.
Yeah, I better put a push fit on it.
Did you find the cat?
Huh?
Did you find the cat?
What?
The cat and dog?
There's nobody there.
Oh. Alright, so this end is the one that came out, and there was an elbow joint just like this, but that came off. Then we cut it from this end with a hacksaw. Now we're just going to file the edges off with a multi-tool. I'm going to try and do this by holding the camera, but yeah, so I need two hands. Okay, that's one side in.
You tighten it.
Yeah, and then I've got to set that side in after. Good, so both ends are done, and we tighten up the screws on each end. Moment of truth coming up.
Should I put it on?
Not while I'm here, actually. Wait, let me come down first a little bit. Okay, the water's just put on. It seems to be okay. Let's have a look here, a closer.
It's okay now.
Yeah.
Any leaks?
It doesn't look like. Yeah, so sorted. Job done.